Thank you for purchasing Lippert Rockport Pontoon furniture. This video will help you understand and illustrate the basic steps required for successful installation of the Rockport Pontoon furniture on your pontoon. Our furniture offers UV and mildew-resistant marine-grade vinyl combined with high-compression foam padding sitting on top of rotationally molded bases. There are many options available to choose from on our website to fit your pontoon layout. Today, we are installing our furniture on a 1995, 24 feet Jamaican Sun Cruiser. Before ordering your furniture, strip the furniture off the existing boat. Inspect the flooring and substrate to ensure that it is in good condition. Then measure from bow to stern and the beam length, and take into consideration any bracketry, previous mounting location that may interfere with your installation. Also, features you want to look out for are support brackets in your rail. What kind of corner bow radius you have. Those are important features that you want to take into consideration before ordering your furniture. When you receive your furniture, inspect the boxes for any damage that may have occurred in transit. You want to make sure you are careful when you open it. Do not use a knife with a long blade because the upholstery is susceptible to knife damage. Many pieces arrive fully assembled, but larger pieces may require assembly to attach the cushions to the bases. After you've taken all the furniture out of the boxes and inspected them, you can begin assembling. Each piece comes with clear instructions for assembly. To assemble, you will need the following tools. Tools needed: screw gun/drill, ratchet set, drill bits, tape measure, furniture hardware included. Make sure to save or replace mounting hardware. All hardware comes in the package. First finger tighten the studs and the backs are held in place by nuts and fender washers. To mount the back to the base, have a helper lifted on to the base and attach using the nuts and fender washers. Then tighten. Next, attach the seat base to the base. First, center up the seat hinges on the recessions in the base. Attach the seat base to the base using included screws. Then check for proper fit and function in the hinges. Using a cordless drill, below torque settings so you do not strip the base. Moving forward to the deck of the pontoon, we have pre-positioned all the furniture to check the fit. The furniture does not come with fasteners. However, most of the time you can salvage your fasteners from the tear out and reuse them to install your new furniture. If you do need new fasteners, we do recommend galvanized steel and finishing washers. Now that we have the furniture in place and we've checked for fit and functionality, all of our furniture will typically mount the same way. We will demonstrate how to fasten a few of these pieces using the OEM mounting holes. You can screw the bases to the subfloor. We suggest that you use 4 fasteners per component or base. In some cases, you may want to fasten the back to one of the rails for added safety. And with that, you've made your old boat practically brand new with comfortable seating to enjoy for years to come. For any troubleshooting questions, contact Lippert customer service at 432-LIPPERT or support@support.lci1.com or email to customer service@lci1.com.